Back with part number 2 of these opening this box break of the Psych from Cryptozoic. Got 12 packs left here. I think I'm gonna try and guess which packs have the hits. I'm gonna grab out 3 packs and set them aside for the last 3 packs I'm gonna open. So set this one, that one, and that one. See if I get any of those right. So I've been getting 3 hits per box. Been getting a dual wardrobe, a regular wardrobe, and an auto. You guaranteed at least 1 auto and 1 wardrobe per box. But out of my last 2 boxes I've opened, I've gotten dual wardrobes, autos, and a regular wardrobe card. Family Affair. Another Henry's Wisdom. It says mixed metaphors. You also get 2 of those Henry Wisdoms per box. Guess his choice. Don't remember that episode. And that's not the name of the episode, but I don't remember that one at all. It says the publicity from the missing mummy case draws unwanted attention from Gus's boss, who gives him the choice to keep his job at the pharmaceutical company or work at Psych. However, the company's vice president asks Gus to investigate his home, which his wife believes is haunted. I do not remember that episode. I've probably seen every episode at least twice. Circumstantial at best. And I am going to do a separate video for all the base set cards. It'll probably be in either 2 long parts or about 5 separate videos. It'll be about at least 20 minutes going through these base set cards one by one. Checklist. Ooh. And I got one of the top autos, the one I wanted, a James Roddy. It's Sean Spencer. That is one of the best autos to get. I'm real happy about that. Congratulations. This card was personally signed by James Roddy as Sean Spencer from Psych, from seasons 1 through 4 of Psych. Autograph A1. Set that right there. I'm gonna put that in a top loader and penny sleeve later. Oh, and there goes a wardrobe right there. Of Gus. This is his dress shirt right there. M15. See if I get another auto or a wardrobe card in this box. My last 2 boxes, I've come out of them with 3 hits, so it seems very likely that I will. There's another one of the Psychic Moments foil cards, Bounty Hunters. Last 3 packs. Well, I were to assume it would be in that pack that the other wardrobe is. It feels a little bit thicker. Angry Spirits. Gus's Glory. I think that's from actually the first season. It's a long, long time ago. Groovy Threads. Last pack here. I'll do a quick recap afterwards. Also a recap of my hit from the last box I opened off camera. Looks like there's not another wardrobe or any other hits in this box, but that is perfectly fine. I'm gonna grab those other ones. So in my first video that I opened on camera, my hits were a Carlton Lassiter shirt wardrobe, dual wardrobe of Sean and Juliet, and auto of Jaleel White as Tony. It's one of Gus's friends. This video, I got a James Roddy, a Sean Spencer, and a dress shirt of Burton Guster. And in my previous video that I opened up off camera, I got a Henry Spencer's blue Hawaiian shirt wardrobe. Let's go back. Got a dual wardrobe of Carlton Lassiter and Juliet. And I also got a auto of James Roddy. So that's why I didn't sound too excited, but I am happy that I got his auto. It's one of the best autos to get. But I was jumping up and down yesterday when I opened up that box with his auto. It's hoping for a Gus so I can have both of them. I think I'm gonna buy a couple more boxes. I'm gonna sell this card here and this Jaleel White. Sell both of those and maybe a couple of wardrobes and a couple of base sets from this set. And yeah, gonna open up those Iron Man 3 packs later on. I got some boxes from Supernatural and Castle coming on the way. And I hope to have some Arrow boxes coming from Cryptozoic. Check back for those videos. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Check back for my base set video of these Psych cards. And yeah, subscribe for more. Thank you.